Hello everyone, my name is David Lutchford and welcome to lesson 29 of my Ancient Greek course. Today's lesson is going to be a quick one because it's just going to consist of a list of vocab that you'll be expected to learn and to know from this point onwards. And you have met this vocab in previous lessons, but here it's all in one place for your reference. Before we get on to the vocab, let me just show you my virtual sets of shelves. If we look at my newest set of shelves, we shall see that KW has generously bought me 3 virtual amphorae. So KW, thank you very much for that. And KW, I wish to say a big thank you for your continued support. Because, ladies and gentlemen, KW was actually the second person to ever buy me a virtual amphora, or in KW's case, virtual amphorae. So I'm very grateful for the continued support, KW. Thank you very much. And I also wish to say thank you very much to everyone who has supported me in the past. I am very grateful for all of the virtual amphorae. If you would like to add a virtual amphora to my virtual set of shelves, then you can do so by going to www.buymeacoffee.com/learnancientgreek. You can get to the link through the info box in the corner of the video. With that said, let us talk about the vocab. I'm about to present you with a list of all of the vocab that you'll be expected to know from this point onwards in the course. You can find the entire list in the description below, but I'm going to present it in parts on slides here in this video as well. And before we look at this list, I should say, you might think, how am I going to learn all of this vocab? Well, in response to your question, I have made a video called How to Learn Ancient Greek Vocabulary. You can check that out and hopefully it will help you to learn this vocab as well as any other vocab you need to learn in the future. So let's now go through this vocabulary. As I present each slide, you should pause the video, note down the vocab, and then resume the video. Okay, so please do remember to do that because you will not get it noted down just by letting the video run. You do need to pause it on each slide. And let's start by looking at verbs. Here is the first slide of the verbs that you'll be expected to know from this point onwards. And here is the second slide of the verbs. And here is the third slide of the verbs. Let's now go on to first declension nouns. Here is the first slide of first declension nouns. And here is the second one. Let's now move on to second declension nouns. Here's the first slide of them. And here's the second slide of them. We're now moving on to third declension nouns. And there is one thing that I need to note here, namely that I have added to the meanings of 2 of these nouns. In particular, I previously told you that aner means man. However, it can also mean husband. Similarly, I previously told you that gyner means woman. However, it can also mean wife. Okay, I've decided that you should certainly know those meanings because they are commonly used to mean husband and wife, respectively, in addition to man and woman. Anyway, please do pause the video and note down the vocab on this slide. Here is the second slide of third declension nouns. Here's the third slide of them. And here is the fourth slide of third declension nouns. And in addition, here are some proper names. please do pause the video and note these down too. We've also got some prepositions, so please pause the video and note these down. Here are some question words to note down. Here are two adverbs to note down. Now I know that the word is an adverb when it means not, but when it means no, it's not technically an adverb, okay? So that meaning has snuck in there, but you should know it, okay? So please note these two adverbs down and their meanings. And here we have three words going in the other category. So please do pause the video and note these down too. With that said, I must say thank you very much for watching the video. I wish you all the best with learning the vocab. But for now though, I must say thank you once again for watching, and I shall see you again next time.